Welcome back, everyone. So today we have another brilliant student on the program. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Good day everyone, I am Alex, from Cherish International Group of Schools.
So, Alex, can you tell us about the functions of a pronoun?
Oh, that's very great. Functions of pronouns. Like nouns, pronouns also perform the functions of the subject of a sentence, object of a sentence, object of a verb, complement of subject, complement of object and complement of a preposition.
This is really amazing. Can you give us similar examples too?
Yeah, sure. Pronoun as subject of a sentence. Examples include: she did the work. He marked the lesson note. It rained cat and dog yesterday. She, he, and it function as subjects of their respective sentences. Pronouns as object of a verb. Examples include: our car crashed him. Our father discouraged her. Esther matched me. Her, him, and me function as objects of verbs crushed, discouraged and matched respectively. Pronouns as indirect object. Examples are: my mother gave it to me. She sent me to her. He phoned me through him. Pronouns as complement of subject. Examples: it was I who saved the situation. That is he playing on the field. Bola is as fat as they. To whom it may concern. It is he. He is as short as she. Who is she? Pronouns as complement of object. Examples are: she described the girl to be she. We proved the liars to be they. It appears to be she. The woman is a to be she. It seems to be they. Pronouns as a complement of a preposition. Examples: George sent the boy to him. To is the preposition, while him serves as a complement.
It's really great to have you on the program, Alex. You are a genius.
Thank you very much, sir. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.